Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with AJ Bell Youinvest. Review my UK investment platform experience. AJ Bell Youinvest is a UK-based investment platform that allows users to invest in a wide range of assets, including shares, funds, investment trusts, and ETFs. It's primarily targeted at individuals who want to manage their own investments online, from beginners to more experienced investors. Key features include a user-friendly web platform, research tools, and a mobile app. Their website provides details on their different account types, including ISAs, SIPPs, and general investment accounts. They emphasize the ease of use of their platform, transparent pricing structures, and the range of investment choices. While they don't advertise no hidden fees outright, their fee schedule is readily available online. They also provide educational resources for new investors. You can easily compare their fees and features to competitors on their site and various comparison websites. Checking if the platform is right for you is as simple as visiting their website and exploring the different account options and investment choices. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using AJ Bell Youinvest. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The online application was clear and concise, and I was up and running within a couple of days. The initial deposit process was also smooth. Once logged in, I found the platform's interface intuitive and easy to navigate. Buying my first shares was a breeze. I simply searched for the company, entered the amount I wanted to invest, and confirmed the transaction. The platform also offers helpful research tools, including company profiles, financial data, and analyst ratings. I used these tools to research potential investments and track the performance of my existing holdings. The platform's performance has been generally reliable, with quick trade executions and real-time updates on my portfolio. I did have a quick question about transferring in some existing investments, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful and detailed answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, giving me a clear overview of my portfolio performance. The standout feature for me was definitely the charting tools, allowing me to analyze historical price data. One minor drawback was that the mobile app, while functional, isn't quite as feature-rich as the desktop platform. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced charting settings, but overall, I'm quite satisfied with AJ Bell Youinvest. It provides a user-friendly platform for managing my investments, with a good balance of features and ease of use. That's my overview of AJ Bell Youinvest. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.